120. 625. 77-40 split in Arizona. Looks like I got 182 miles to my delivery. How you doing, ladies and gentlemen? It's hot out here. I got a part coming. Hold on a second. So anyway, got a little drama for y'all. That's me. There goes my parts truck. He brought me some parts. Lady across the street in the parts department in the trailer place over there. They called him up for me. So anywho, I stopped and got a belt earlier. When I was at home, I kept saying you need to do the maintenance on your APU, and I kept putting it up and up and up and up, putting it off. And guess what? Broke a belt. So the problem with this is because I don't have a 3-door headache rack yet. I had to build that stupid toolbox, and I had to take it all apart, and I had a weld in it, and I had to break that weld. So I know I'm all over the place. I do apologize. So this is me here on I forgot what it said it was, 77, going down to Gilbert, Arizona, which is where I'm delivering tomorrow. Delivering these two here boats. And then I got a court date on Tuesday. I got to be in a motel room Monday night in Lexington, Kentucky. So I can't be playing around. But anyway, burned up a belt night before last. And I hate idling my truck. I think it's the worst thing you can do to a motor is idle it. So first I had to get this toolbox. I tried to get it on first without taking the toolbox off. And I don't know. Let me see. Y'all can see. I'm gonna give you a, if I can, if I can do it. I don't know if I can do it. Here, hold on. Anyway, I don't think I can do it. I was gonna show you. All right. I don't know if you can see, but I'm filthy because I've been laying in the dirt down there. Right there's my dirt spot, laying spot. I tried to get the belt on, but the belt was, look at how big this ant is right here. Look at that dude. Anyway, the belt was 1 inch too small. So I ordered another belt. And we're gonna go ahead and get this dude on there. Get this sewed up. Take a bath. I got a bath in the truck. I'm gonna take a bath in the truck and turn on this APU and run the air conditioner. Take me a nice bath. Probably I don't know. If I got electricity again, I can cook myself some dinner. That's another thing, without power I can't cook myself dinner, so I get myself a dinner cooked up, get some rest, get out of here. I got that 2 o'clock appointment, so I called ahead. They know I'm coming. They said call 15 minutes before I get there, so voila. Let me get this belt on, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know what y'all are doing today. Well, hopefully you're not laying in the dirt out in the desert, Arizona desert, like I am. And if you are, well, more power to you. Dirt's what's up. Anyway, I'm starting to sound stupid, so you guys have a wonderful day. Have lots of fun wherever you are. God bless. Don't forget to ring that bell. God bless, and later.